If you're moving from a pre-2412 version of NX CAM to 2412 or later, one of the things you'll notice is the absence of the Verify Toolpath button. Welcome back to another NX CAM quick tip. Where did Verify Toolpath go? For a long time, Verify Toolpath was the go-to tool for 3D toolpath simulation with IPW removal. But starting with version 2412, this tool is no longer visible by default. The default method for checking your toolpath is now Toolpath Animation with IPW turned on. Instead of using Verify Toolpath, simply turn on IPW using the Display IPW button. Press play to start the 3D machining animation. If you still prefer the old method, you can still re-enable Verify Toolpath through Customer Defaults. Go to Customer Defaults. Under Manufacturing, select Simulation and Visualization. Check Show Verify. Click OK, and restart NX for the changes to take effect. Once restarted, the Verify Toolpath button will reappear. While it's still accessible, keep in mind that Verify Toolpath has been considered a legacy feature for some time. Transitioning to Toolpath Animation with IPW is recommended. And that's today's NX CAM quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching. For more insights, stay tuned to Longterm Technology Services. Need help with NX CAM? Please reach out. We're here to help.